Hello and welcome to this Cerner Millennium e-learning training video that is delivered by the IM and T training team. Many users may have encountered the scenario within Cerner where upon attempting to create a document, users will be required to complete a mandatory yellow field prompting the selection of a note type. In many cases, users consistently select the same note template and note type each time they create a document. It will be demonstrated how to configure this in order that the field is automatically populated. Additionally, we will demonstrate how to create a customized list of options that can be saved within your personal filter settings. Before beginning, a prerequisite is you will need to have accessed your patient's record within PowerChart. To begin writing your note, navigate to the bottom of the Components menu and find the option that displays Select Other Note. A new Note tab is now displayed. From here, the mandatory yellow field is displayed under Type. Type is the folder this note will save to. Most people will select it this way in order to locate their option. When you click on the drop-down arrow, this will display a large number of types as shown. I have selected the Cardiac Rehab Admission Clerking as an example. However, selecting this option will not retain your preference the next time you navigate to this section. You will need to reselect it each time. To avoid this, navigate to the grey toolbar at the top of the screen and click on View. Select Customize from the bottom of the drop-down menu. Here, you can now assign your default note type, which will remain as a default for future use. For example, as a cardiology outpatient clinician, my default note type is typically Cardiology Consult Note. However, there are occasions when I may need to use alternative note types, such as the Cardiology Outpatient Letter or the GP Letter Note. Additionally, I may select further options. To do this, click on the icon in the middle. I will select Cardiology GP Letter, Progress Note, and Phone Message. I have now added these 3 items to my list, as shown. To save these preferences, I will select OK. The patient's record will now be closed. I will now search for my patient. I will add a new document, and you can now see the default Cardiology Consult Note has already appeared here. In order to view my list of options from the other note types, I will change this to Personal, and if I use the drop-down, you will notice the GP Letters, Phone Message, and Progress Note are now displayed in this area. Thank you for viewing this e-learning video on the Cerner Millennium PowerChart application. Further Cerner EPR videos are available on our YouTube channel. On this channel, you will find playlists relevant to certain job roles and ad hoc individual videos.